For this repair, you're gonna need the supplied Mini Motors EY3 kit, which comes with a display and a mounting plastic, one zip tie, a pair of scissors, and the supplied all-in-one tool. But for this demonstration, I'm going to use the 3mm custom tool. So using the 3mm Allen key, you're going to remove the top two first. And same process for these two screws if you want to replace it. But for the sake of this demonstration, I'm not going to do this because it's already there. Next thing is to remove the loom to expose the connector that you're going to disconnect. And to do that, you have to use a scissor to cut off the zip tie right here, which holds the bundle of wires. And then simply pull on the connector to disconnect the old display. Once you grab the new display, you can simply reverse the process. First, connect the connector and make sure the arrows match up and they should be facing each other. Then use the zip tie to put the wire bundles together. Cut off the excess. And proceed to mounting the two screws to secure the display onto the mounting bracket. Once you have finished mounting the display onto the mounting bracket, go ahead and secure the loom back to how it was. Just wrap it around the bundle of wires and the replacement is done. Once you finish mounting the replacement display onto the mounting bracket, the next thing to do is to configure the display. And you have to follow the configuration in the manual. Start by pressing on the power button and holding it until the display turns on. Once it's on, press and hold the mode button. It'll get you to the configuration setting. Now you can press this white circle to toggle through the setting. And then mode switches from one setting to another. So let me go ahead and do that again. You have to do it within 5 seconds or so. If there's no activities, it'll go default back to the basic menu. So for P0, you want to set it to 11. Right now it's at 10.5, so you can use this white circle button to set it to 11. Next is to click mode, which goes to next setting. P1 is set to 60, which is what we want. P2 is 15, it's already set there. P7 is 0. P9 is 3. PA is 5. You want to set this to 1. Oops. And if you accidentally pass the number that you want, you have to loop around. So you want 1 for PA, and then for PD, it's supposed to be set to 1. Other parameters that I skipped through can be left as default. To power off, press and hold the power button, and that completes the configuration setting.